Good morning. So we're out here today at Dunsfold Aerodrome, the home of the Top Gear racetrack, and over there where they're filming the hangar. We've come out today for Threshold Aero for an aerospace event. Now we've got BA's Boeing 747-400 behind us. This particular plane actually went out of commission on the 22nd of March last year as the pandemic hit. They decided to take the planes into retirement a little bit early. So this one was in commission from 1993, I believe. It's flown around the world the equivalent of 2,500 times, which is 60,000 miles. Absolutely insane. So we're going to have a look around, see what there is to offer here, hopefully go inside the plane. I'm going to see if I can get in the cockpit. So if you enjoy the video, give us a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot, I really do appreciate it. And if you'd like to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when we post all new videos, that'll be amazing. Let's go and go on our first plane for a very long time. It's not going to go in the skies though, unfortunately. So one more part we've got here, we've got a little bit of a walk around barbecue stalls area. I'll give you a bit of an overview of this as well. We do have one more plane. Bit of a private jet. Definitely never going to go on one of those again either. Can't go on this one, this is just more of a photo opportunity one. Ooh.
Pretty cool.
Got clocks. So these clocks are made out of parts of the aircraft. It's really cool. I dread to think how much they are though. You can buy parts of the cockpit as well. Aerotiques, this stand is. That's fine as well, yeah.
Yeah, the model that they were I get too excited about it, just have
So that's the same price as it is on whatever that website is.
Perfect.
We do have an ice cream van, which takes card as well, which is amazing. We've got a burger van and we've got a wood-fired pizza stove. Oh, they've got Nutella and cream pizza. It's the pizza that we managed to get. This was £8, and we've also got half a garlic bread as well, that was £4. You can pay sort of by card. They've got a QR code to pay them on PayPal here. They do artichoke as well as margarita. So I'll keep you on this shot of the plane for a second. So this particular model, the G-BNLY, was delivered to British Airways on the 10th of February 1993, having first flown on the 25th of January. Now its last commercial revenue flight was from Cape Town, South Africa, to London Heathrow, and that was on the 22nd of March 2020. As I said, they decommissioned a number of the 747s around the beginning of the pandemic due to the heavy running costs of these particular models. The last actual flight was a ferry flight from the city of Swansea to here, Dunsfold Aerodrome, on the 5th of December 2020. As I said previously, the plane itself has flown nearly 60 million miles, which is equivalent to 2,500 times around the planet Earth, and that equates to 122,000 hours and 14,000 flights. That's absolutely incredible that your car doesn't even last that long, and these things are still going. They run on 4 Rolls-Royce RB211 524G jets, and I will put all this information down in the description, and I'll give you a link to the website as well. This is a kind of one-off event at this particular moment, but aerospace, Threshold Aero do run a number of these anyway. So give you a full walk around the plane itself as well. To fly, to serve. G-BNLY, that's the model number of this plane. Very rare to be able to get this close.
That's not a paint job, isn't it? It is actually, yeah.
Run back here a second so you can get a full shot. Royal Mail crest there. Obviously these are used to deliver cargo as well. And next we'll be going on board, hopefully take a look at the first class, the cattle class, and we might get a look in the cockpit as well. First time walking up steps on an aeroplane in nearly a year. Waited 1 hour essentially to come up here. They took a couple of pictures of us at the bottom. Oh, look at that for a view. Incredible. Ooh, first class. Look at that little nook in there. Right, let's try and get in the nook, shall we? First time in first class, actually. It's very cool. What we got? We got our little media remote, keypad. This isn't going well. Cool. We got our TV over here, and that will flip out. Tray table. Big tray table. Easy work there. Obviously we're a very important businessman. And we've got this cool screen to get away from everyone else. That's cool. So keep an eye on the channel. We are actually flying first class with Virgin Atlantic later on this year, so you'll be able to see our review of that too. Now we're here in the cattle class, 343 layout.
Yeah.
This is stuff you don't often get to see, isn't it? You're not an air hostess, darling.
Curry or pasta?
It's blocked, isn't it? Stuck.
Curry or pasta is always nice.
Curry or pasta?
Yeah.
Yeah, and they normally run out of curry. Oh, that's a good idea.
Bring my apple.
You sit here.
You look very comfortable.
So that's the air host and hostess chair, and they've got their. Okay, we can't get that off. You reckon the place? Oh, that's where people get cheeky.
No. So they have a cigarette.
So they have a cigarette.
I actually do have the cigarette thing.
It's a legal requirement.
This is where your blankets go.
Yeah. Oh. It's interesting.
Double trouble.
Yeah. So interestingly, this side obviously goes up. And this side comes down. We were just saying actually the plane does look a little tired, a little old. You can see why it was retired at this point. Ooh, this is cool. Double seats. So this is if you want to be with your significant other. So as we showed you before, you've obviously got the screen. We're actually sat, both of us in the double seat, which is quite cool. And then you've got the divider next to you as well. This here is a footrest, so that folds down. And then down the bottom there, that's where you can put your bag, as there's not really a lot of room underneath the seat. It's really cool. Oh, bit of wood in first class. This is where your defibrillator and resuscitator is stored. Empty for the time being.
Do not have a heart attack.
No. What does a first class toilet look like? Looks like a cattle class toilet.
Disappointing.
Okay. More of the cabin crew area. This is quite a cool little area. More tucked away. Can you open it?
Ooh.
That's where they keep bread. It's definitely the bread. Right, we got some of the lights here and all the mixers and switches and whatnot. So that'll control much of what this is. We've got a coffee machine.
Any pretzels?
No. Where does this go then?
Oh no. That's for big trays.
Maybe that goes down to the...
Nice.
Maybe this is like a dumbwaiter. Goes down to the cargo hold. Cool. Sorry.
This is premium.
Is this premium, yeah?
Business.
Thanks.
Yeah, look, they're nice.
Okay. To some extent, this is nicer than that. Maybe that's... Okay, we've got more seats here.
Ooh, no. Take that back.
It's premium. That's premium. So this is...
Oh.
This is premium. Oh my goodness. She's just pulled out the life vest. What are you doing? No. Leave it. Careful.
Oh my goodness.
Alright, so we thought that was first class before. But we're about to enter first.
Yeah, that button, press it down. Oh, is that drop the line? Yeah. No, up, that one.
No, this is well. Is this well?
Maybe this is world class then. Right, should we have a look and see what we've got on offer in here? Right, let's take a seat and have a little tour of this area, shall we?
Wardrobe.
We got a full wardrobe. Just as an FYI, I'm never going to be able to afford this, so this is the only time I'm being in here. Another wardrobe for your suit jacket. This pulls out all the way. Nice big TV. It has got a camera on it as well, so can you video conference on this? That is a question. Right. This is the tray table. Press down to release.
Oh wow.
Pull it up. And then you've got a full fold out table.
What is the point of this seat belt? Well, it's for the second person. Not just strap your feet.
Right. You've got a blind here. Pulls that down as well.
Feels like a train.
It does feel like a train. Full media remote here again, with your QWERTY keyboard on the back. And you've got all of your seat controls here.
What's that bit at the end? Ooh.
Should be able to take out, shouldn't you?
Well, I don't think most people pay that headline rate, do they?
Might be off.
Yeah, it's electric, I think, isn't it?
Pretty cool. And you've also got a full British plug socket here, 3-pin plug socket. So you can, looks like you can sit there. It's got an official seat belt. I'm sad now. That was our only time ever going to be in there. Never going to happen again. Unless you guys want to donate, then I'd love to do it for you and give you a review of it. But we were saying we certainly wouldn't be wearing a suit in there, even though you've got the hangers for your suit jacket and all that. Why would you do it? Just bring change clothes. Heading upstairs on a plane. Just been looking at the controls here. So you've got sitting upright, recline, and you've got your bed. And then you sat upright again for takeoff and landing. You've got your lumbar support and your head support as well. And we're on the top deck here, so probably about 20 feet higher up. So we've got some cargo room as well.
Just two of you? Just two of you. Yeah.
Cool, so we are heading into the cockpit. Oh, these look very plush seats. Look at how they are.
You can have a look around.
So, a couple of beds. And then on this side we've got toilets as well, but we can't reach that because the door's completely open. So it's really cool. A bit of an air vent up here as well.
You guys almost ready?
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
So I just got such a cool picture on the stairs to the upper class deck, and I'll put that picture in now so you can see that. Met the captain. Very cool. And we're just walking back through. That's it for our time here at Dunsfold Aerodrome. So we had a really fantastic time touring the Boeing 747-400. So the 400 is a variant of the 747. Slightly later variant, as I said, this one was retired last year. So the ticket for today was around £30–35. I'll put this down in the bottom corner so you can actually see that now. As I said earlier on in the video, later on in the year we are flying first class from London to JFK, and in turn we're flying back from Miami to London. So I'll give you a couple of reviews of that. That is on an Airbus via Virgin Atlantic. That'll be a really good experience, and we're very, very much looking forward to that. And that'll be our first time getting on a plane since the pandemic. And I hope it goes ahead, but obviously you just never know at this point in time, do you? So obviously you saw we had a few food areas that we could go to, a couple of little shops as well. We got a good tour of the entire aircraft up in the economy, premium, upper class, business class as well, which is obviously, I haven't seen that before. It's a little bit different. So you've got your area to hang all your suits and things like that. Like I said in the video, I'm not sure I'd want to wear a suit on a plane, but whatever floats your boat, hey. And then we also got to see the cockpit and where they sleep when they're mid-flight, which is amazing. As I said, this last commercial flight was from Cape Town in South Africa to London Heathrow, so this guy has flown all over the world. It's actually a lady aircraft, they're all ladies. So if you've enjoyed the video, hit that thumbs up, it really does help me out a lot, and I'd love for you guys to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon to be notified when we post all new videos. See you on the other side. Thanks.